I welcome you, brethren. We are happy to proceed with our programs, archives, the teachings of the message of God, Mwazha of Africa. This is the Gospel Chariot. If you feel you want to join the church, the African Apostolic Church, don't hesitate to get in touch on the number appearing here on the screen, on the green segment, the last part, there's a number there. We'll connect you with the nearest branch so that you'll be received and become an African Apostolic Church member and be a follower of Jesus Christ, a saved one of God, an apostle of Jesus Christ. 1934 Revelation. Here with me, I've got a clip from Paul Mwazha of Africa when he was turning 100 years. This was during his birthday service of some sort at number 8 Jefferson when he turned 100 years of age. Currently, by the time of print of this video, he's 106 years of age. God bless him. Amen. Most of the time when I want to enrich myself with knowledge, I don't go outside the teachings of Paul Mwazha of Africa and the books which he referred us to, so that I don't dilute my knowledge. I just want to remain focused and remain relevant to the teachings that comes with Paul Mwazha of Africa. It's up to you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless everyone.